On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2020 Forest River Hemisphere GLX 378FL. This model is anything but ordinary. With convenient dual-entry doors, 5 slide-outs that greatly increase the space, and a large front living area, there is plenty of room to spread out and enjoy your getaway. Meal prep will be easy in this spacious kitchen with central island and residential appliances. There is also a freestanding dinette, and a hutch with an extra countertop. You will find yourself being drawn to the fireplace on those chilly evenings, and you can watch TV with plenty of seating choices. The living area even provides more sleeping space. Inside the bathroom you'll find a combo tub/shower with sliding glass door, mirrored vanity and countertop sink. Your kids will surely love their own space in the loft with bunk mats and plenty of storage for their things. The master bedroom has a king-size bed, dresser with closet, and a side wardrobe that also houses a washer and dryer hookup if needed. When you want time away from home without leaving the comforts behind, then this is the RV you need for fun and entertainment, wherever you decide to set up. Come see this and hundreds of other pre-owned recreational vehicles. Come check them out at RV Depot.